If you've been pouring your heart and soul into creating digital products or, just grinding to build an online presence, but you're just not seeing that hard work actually translate into a sustainable business, well, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down the specific roadmap that shifts you from being a burnt-out creator to a highly effective contentpreneur. So you got to ask yourself, why aren't your views turning into revenue? I know you're probably incredibly frustrated trying to convert fleeting internet attention into actual reliable income. You post, you get a few likes, maybe a few hundred views, and then crickets. It's exhausting, but let's shift your mindset right now. The disconnect here, it isn't because you aren't talented. The disconnect is entirely in how you're approaching the game. There's a quote from our source material that hits the nail perfectly on the head. You don't have a product problem. You have an excusity problem. I really want you to let that sink in for a second. You might be great, like exceptionally great at what you do. Your digital product might literally be flawless. But if nobody knows you exist, your perfect product is never ever going to sell, period. You are completely hidden in the noise, which brings us to section 1, the obscurity problem. Listen, until we fix this failure to get noticed, nothing else really matters. It's basically a tale of two completely different mindsets. On one side, we have the perfection game. So many creators waste countless hours, days, even weeks in total isolation trying to craft the perfect digital product. And what happens? They finally launch it, and their only audience is their mom and maybe a spam bot. It's heartbreaking. On the flip side, we have the distribution game. The winners know that business is all about building attention. They post consistently. They don't wait for perfect. They just get their message out into the world. To put this into perspective, the creator behind our source material talks about how they built audiences to over 100,000 followers, ground through endless sales calls, and even spent over $100,000 on ads in a single month. Yeah, $100,000 in 1 month just to get noticed. But after doing all of that, they had a massive realization. Actually, scratch that. It was a total game changer. There is a significantly better, vastly more efficient way to solve your obscurity problem without burning through a mountain of cash. All right, moving right along to section 2, selling transformation, not information. So once you realize you need to get noticed, what exactly are you putting out there? You have to start solving specific problems. People don't buy raw information. I mean, they can get that anywhere for free on Google, right? They buy solutions to their most painful problems. The real money lies within 3 core niches: health, wealth, and relationships. If you want to build a real business, your solution absolutely needs to fall into one of these 3 buckets. But listen to me carefully. Simply picking health or picking wealth is not enough. You've got to get highly specific to succeed. If you're too broad, you'll drown. Think about it like this. If you try selling how to lose weight, that is way too broad, generic, and quite frankly, it's a failing strategy. You won't make a dime because you'll just drown in the noise. But what if you target busy moms losing 20 pounds in only 20 minutes a day? Boom! Specificity creates bias. When a busy mom hears that, she immediately thinks, hey, that is exactly for me. Targeting a specific viewer's pain point transforms your offering from a boring information dump into a highly lucrative transformation engine. Now you actually have a business. That leads us perfectly into section 3, YouTube, the ultimate funnel. Okay, so you've got your hyper-specific solution ready to go. How do we solve that obscurity problem and actually get in front of people? Well, the source argues that YouTube absolutely trumps everything else out there. Why? Because it packs a massive 3-in-1 punch. Think of a well-crafted video as a sales call, an advertisement, and a discovery engine, all wrapped up into one single platform. Think about consumer psychology for just a second. Literally everybody comes to YouTube actively searching for how to do something. If you leverage that specific intent, your business completely transforms. We are operating in what the source calls the trust economy, and it works in a really natural step-by-step progression. First, you build attention on YouTube. Next, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust, your videos naturally earn that trust over time. And finally, step 3, you just make a simple, clear offer to those trusting viewers. It's such an incredibly smooth progression, from a viewer sitting there with a problem to you swooping in and providing the exact solution they need. Now, as your coach today, I've got to break a major mindset block for you right here. You absolutely do not need the biggest audience in the world. Seriously, ask yourself, would you rather have millions of passive watchers who never spend a single dime or a small, super tight-knit audience of active buyers? You just need the right audience. You need the people with the right problem who are desperately searching for your right solution. That is where the actual revenue lives. And that brings us to our final core concept, section 4, becoming a contentpreneur. This is the big one. This is the ultimate paradigm shift. We have got to get you stepping out of that struggling creator mindset and into the role of a true business owner. Most people quit way before they ever get to experience the magical compounding effects of the internet. And why? Because they think like a typical content creator. They get completely paralyzed by overthinking. They obsess over vanity metrics. They get burnt out. But when you step up and act like a contentpreneur, everything changes. You focus purely on consistency. You realize you aren't just making a quick video for laughs. You are building long-term high-value assets. Let's define this super clearly so you can really internalize it. A contentpreneur views their content as a 24/7 digital employee. I absolutely love this concept. Think of every single video you upload as a little mini version of you just out there roaming the internet. While you're sleeping, while you're eating dinner with your family, those mini yous are working around the clock. They're out there finding leads, building trust, solving your viewers' pain points, and generating real income impact and influence. But here is the absolute undeniable truth. The one rule you just cannot bypass. Consistency is the cheat code. It literally is. The internet actively rewards those who show up consistently, and it severely punishes those who stay trapped in analysis paralysis. You have to commit to putting those digital employees to work day in and day out. No excuses. So I'm going to leave you with this final, absolutely vital question. When your head hits the pillow tonight, will your digital employees be out there tirelessly building your business? Or is your perfect product going to stay completely hidden in the dark? It is time to stop playing the perfection game, fully embrace the distribution game, step entirely out of obscurity, and finally let the internet reward you for your hard work. You've got this. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.